Hey, what's up guys? This is Ohit. I'm making this video tutorial series after a long time, but I'm back at last, and this tutorial series will be problem solving with Python. So in this tutorial series, I'm not going to teach you how to work or how to code in Python. Rather than I'll teach you how to solve problems. So Python is just a mere tool here, or a programming language which will help us to execute our algorithms or steps or instructions to solve the problems. So this tutorial series is for beginner, intermediate, and advanced level users. So, but not all of the tutorials will be for all of these specific user type. There will be some tutorials which will be for beginners. There will be some other tutorials which might be suitable for expert. So but on this tutorial, this is for the beginner. So if you're intermediate or expert, I think you might skip it. So let's read out the problem first. If you can see, the problem here is we need to write a program which will find all such numbers which are divisible by 7 but are not not a multiple of 5, and the numbers are going to be in between 2000 and 3200. The numbers obtained should be printed in a comma separated sequence on a single line. So before starting with the solution, let's think about real life problems. In our real life problems, we always look for clues to find the solutions. So when we find the solutions are always combinations of steps. So those steps are helping to build up a perfect solution to solve a particular problem. This is how actually the problem and the solution works. So for this problem, we have two clues here, two or some more clues here. Let's extract the clues from this problem first. So the first clue here is that the numbers we are going to print out are going to be divisible by 7, and those are not multiple of the another clue. This is are not multiple of 5, and the numbers are going to be in between 2000 and 3200. So we have found 3 clues in total, and we have also found an instruction which is the numbers should be printed out in a comma separated sequence on a single line. So let's execute this. First thing, we need to actually print out in between 2000 and 3200. So the numbers we are going to print out will be in between those two. So in Python, we have to make it into loop number in range 2000 and 3201. The reason I'm putting 3201 here is that in Python range function, if you are putting 3200 here, then the range function will tell the for loop function to loop until 3199. So to looping until 3200, we are putting here 3201. I cleared this up first. Okay, then right now we can actually print out let's print out this. Sorry. So you can see that we have printed out the numbers until 3200. So if you go up, you can see it's starting from basically 2000. Okay, but this is not the solution we want, right? We want the solution to be complied with all of this condition. So the first condition over here, the first clue over here is that the number is going to be divisible by 7. So we say if number divisible by modulus 7 equals 0, then print out the number. So the number right now we are going to have, all of them will be divisible by 7. So you can see there are a lot of numbers here, and all of these numbers are actually divisible by 7 now. So we have some more steps left here. Another step is the numbers are not multiple of 5. So to execute this, we will say if number modulus 5 not equals 0, then print number. So right now we are saying our program that okay, the number are not multiple of 5. So let's print out. So you can see all the numbers which are multiple of 5 are excluded from the list. Alright, but this is not the solution still we want. We want the numbers to be printed out in a single line where the numbers will be separated by a comma. So to do this, we will first say declare a line list, or we will declare a line as a list. Then we will append every number into the line, or we will add every number into the line as a string. Okay, so we are actually constructing a list which is named as line by the numbers. So we can actually try to print out the line right now here, and you will see a very long list. You can see a very long list, but this is not yet the solution we want. We want the numbers to be printed out in a single line, but not inside a list. So to print it out in a single line, what we're gonna do is we are going to say put a comma, and we will say join and line. Alright, let's run this, and you can see that all the numbers are right now printed out in a single line, but you can see the lines are divided here because my screen doesn't fit the entire line, right? So that's why it's split into. But in reality, these lines are not separated, rather than these are a single line only. Alright, I hope you understand this solution. If you don't understand, comments in the comment section, and I apologize for my bad English. I'm trying to improving on as long as I'm progressing with the tutorial series. I hope that I will be doing better tutorial. So see you into the next tutorial. Bye bye.